So, hello everyone, this is Age Graceful. This is going to be a little bit different. Today I'll be participating in Tablescape Tuesdays. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted every Tuesday evening at 6 p.m. and it's in collaboration with the ladies of Elegance. And those hosts are Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel and Courtney from Amethyst Adventures. Doing tablescapes is not in my niche, but I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'm doing this tablescape for a special reason. My special reason for doing this tablescape video today is to say thank you to Anna from the Grace Life DIY channel and V from the Simply You Makeup channel. They were there for me every day this summer after I had surgery. I appreciate and love them so much. They would text me or DM me each and every day during my recovery to make sure that I was okay. And I appreciate that so much. So let's get into this video. So before I had surgery, I saw the ladies come together to do a tablescape that was called Blue and White Chinoiserie, I believe it's called. And I thought that it was so very pretty. I had my husband to take me to a Goodwill store in search of blue and white plates. I don't know what the design or style of these are. I looked on the bottom of the plates and they came from the Lane Home store. I was able to get this bundle of blue and white plates for $12.99. And because I'm a senior citizen, I got a percentage off. I think I saved in total $3. I'll be having a receipt coming up in a few minutes to show you exactly how much I spent. The creamer was $2.99. And then there's, I believe, a salad bowl that I presume was a part of this set of dishes because they were stacked together. And that was $5.99. However, I was not charged for that because they were all stacked together. So the lady was really generous and nice, and I appreciate her for doing that for me. So here's that blue bowl that I was telling you about. However, it doesn't have white on it. The rim of this bowl is brown. I'm not going to use it today. I'll just save it for another possible tablescape in the future. But it is the same color blue and could be easily coordinated into a look if you really wanted to. Here's that receipt that I was telling you guys about. The set of dishes was $12.99. The bowl was $5.99 and the creamer was $2.99. However, I only paid a total of $14 for the entire set of dishes. So let's get started with putting this tablescape together for Anna and V. So here I have my table with a piece of fabric from Joann Fabrics. The fabric is from the bridal section and it's adorned with the most beautiful sequins. It's difficult to see in this lighting, but if it's well lit or if it's candlelight, you can see the sequins a little bit better. These two ladies are very special to me, and just to give you an example, today I received a message from Anna that says, "Hi sis, how was your day? I've been resting. I pray all is well, sending hugs and kisses." And then from V just this evening, "Michelle, you just came across my mind, and I just want to tell you I love you and double love you for being so kind." Those two messages mean the world to me. I've received messages like that since August the 2nd, the day of my surgery. So here are the napkins that I'll be using. They have lemons and bees, and they speak everything summer, which is slowly leaving us. I also found these before my surgery at Marshall's. They came 6 to a package. They're a heavy weighted material, and I just love them. So next up, it's time to put the plates on. My blue and white plates from the Goodwill store. If anybody knows this pattern, can you please let me know in the comments section? I would appreciate it. Thank you. So next up are the salad plates. I believe I put them on the wrong side. If you know if I did or not, can you also leave that in the comment section? Thank you. Next, I'll add the soup bowl right on top of the plate. I'm so happy that Tablescape Tuesdays is a freestyle and you can do your tablescape any way you want, because I will be putting a lot of different items on this table to pull it together. Up next, I have those napkins with the lemons and the bees, and I'm using my favorite napkin rings. They're encrusted with pearls and diamonds. I would have nothing but the best for these two ladies because they are so deserving. Up next, I have my favorite scent of candle from Bath & Body Works. It's called Fall Farmhouse. And then I have a candle holder, which is white with daisies, and the daisies are trimmed in gold. Very beautiful. The candle holder was also purchased at Bath & Body Works, and it was something that I already had. As you can see, I have 3 place settings here. I wish with all my heart that Anna and V were coming to have dinner. I know that we would have loads of fun and laugh hysterically. The silverware has been added to the table. It belonged to my mother. It's been in the family since I was 16 years old. Now I've added an acrylic water pitcher to the table. It is adorned with lemons. It is so cute and matches the napkins perfectly. This water pitcher is something that I also already had, and it was purchased from the at-home store. Next, I'll add my lemonade or iced tea glasses. This pattern is unknown to me. These glasses were purchased at an estate sale. There was an entire box of them with different sizes. The lady at the sale said, just give me $2 and take the whole box. I got that $2 out of my purse so fast and gave it to her, and I smiled all the way home. Up next are the water-sized glasses, and I'll describe them to you. They're a soft sky blue, and they have like Roman figures on them in white. The rim of the glass is gold. I used to see them in people's homes when I was a little girl, so I know that they're quite old. Now it's time to add some florals. I have some roses and some lilies here, and I put those into the creamer bowl. I would appreciate it so much that after you watch my video, you would go to visit both Anna at the Grace Life DIY and V at Simply You Makeup. On Anna's channel, you'll see her doing all types of DIY projects and florals. She has such a giving, kind heart, and is very spiritual and uplifting. And V on her Simply You Makeup channel is just what it says. It's Simply You. She loves color. She's very encouraging and uplifting. V is also an author and has 2 paperback books out available right now on Amazon. On Amazon, search for Vilna McCoy. As you can see, this is a 3-wick candle. I lit 1 wick for Anna, 1 wick for VEE, and 1 wick for myself. For me, this signifies the love and the bond that we share together, and that we will always be united. So let's add a little starlight to the table and just look at its glow and enjoy the music. Thank you so much for selecting my channel to watch today. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Also, please don't forget to go visit both Anna and VEE. You will enjoy yourself over to each of their channels. Thank you, ladies, for having me for Tablescape Tuesdays. It was fun. I will make it easy for you to visit both Anna and VEE. I will leave their channel links in my description box. I will also leave Courtney's channel link, as she is the host.